Greetings YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is where we cover everything from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. If the project has some type of potential, we're covering it on the channel, right? This is one of the projects that I've seen. I was around when everything was popping off, with Pepe, Ben, RFD, Mong, all of these different projects, right? But I gotta say, man, the Ben token or the Ben coin, it's strong. It's a very strong project. We gotta go through the DEX tools, man. The Bitboy taking over this thing is I guess what really makes this project stand out. I saw Bitboy recently make a video on Ben on his channel, so you could always guarantee the Bitboy the persons that follow Bitboy and are fans and supporters of Bitboy, and just knowing that he's one of the biggest names in the space, if not the biggest, right? It means that Ben has a lot of potential to hit that $1 billion market cap, if not more. So we're gonna check it out on the channel, man. You just never know with I'm telling you guys, you just never know with projects. But sometimes there's signs like, okay, Bitboy has a lot of controversy around his name, but look at what Ben is doing. It's bullish when everything else is going sideways, right? Or retracing because of Bitcoin. $69.3 million in market cap, $21 million in 24-hour trade volume. Crazy trade volume. Oh my, insane trade volume. Listed on Poloniex, Mexi Global. Listed on some exchanges, bencoin.eth. We know all about what happened with what's his name, Ben.eth. We know about Psyop. We know about the new project he's launching. What's it called? Lucky or Loyal. Yeah, it's called Loyal, right? So we know about all that controversy, but that doesn't stop the Ben project from absolutely crushing it. Bitboy using his influence, using his the people that he knows to back the project, and he's gonna be turning this project into a utility project. We see the update of the the branding for Ben. Be everywhere now. Have the tokenomics. New website is coming soon. So yeah, guys, a lot that could potentially unfold for Ben. Let's go to the Twitter. Is this the updated Twitter? 81 followers. Ben moved to Ben coin now. 23.4k followers for Ben. New Ben logo just dropped. Influence recently. Influencer, 57k followers. Will this be the year of Ben? Bitboy Crypto took leadership role with Ben coin ETH, and now Hourglass Way adds firepower to their already stacked team, and they join forces for public awareness, strategic education, and crypto adoption. Hourglass Way, right? So never heard of this company before, but it's an incubation Hourglass Collective, incubating the next cryptogem.com. Over half a dozen more projects that will exclusively use Weight. Also, so their token is Weight. And look at that, huge partnership with Ben. Take a look at this article real quick, man. Like, jeez, it's insane. Ben Collective dominating in partnership with Ben Coin, the next Crypto Gem TV series, in which Ben Bitboy Crypto next Crypto Gem TV series will broadcast on both Bespoke TV and Insight TV, and that is just gonna be so much recognition for Ben. That is insane. Award-winning Nefty Vodka is also a sponsor. Neft Vodka, my gosh. Here we go. Ben Armstrong, follow him on my other account. Ben now available on BitGet, first of several top 15 exchanges that are listing Ben coin now. And this is the thing, right? Bitboy has so much influence in the space. He's gonna make this project have success. He's gonna push this project as much as he can while he does his thing with YouTube and stuff like that. If everyone in Ben retweets this for awareness, maybe Uniswap will push it along faster. Fix the issue we can't swap Bencoin or Uniswap, which is the trade stop there, and now it's unsupported assets because of the logo. You have to replace the old logo, so they're pushing for that. They have an updated roadmap right here for Ben. introduce Ben as utility coin for governance. So it's gonna be a DAO. Voting begins. Establish street teams for crypto adoption. So Bitboy is gonna use the Ben token as his, governance crypto adoption token, man. I'm telling you guys, when you see things like this taking place, you just can't ignore it, right? We'll take a look at the DEX tools chart as well right after this. Due to certain restrictions, we have to change the name of Bencoin Foundation to the Bencoin Collective, since there is not an actual 501 behind it. It's just a bunch of crypto adoption enthusiasts working together to change the world. Great to see. More exchange listings happening, and like I said, because of Bitboy's influence, who's to say this can't get Coinbase, Binance? Bitboy probably got CZ in his contact list, and the other Armstrong, because he's Ben Armstrong. What's the name of the Coinbase guy? Brian Armstrong, right? I think it's Brian Armstrong, the CEO for Coinbase. Hold on, yeah, Brian Armstrong. So the two Armstrongs. You don't think Bitboy has Brian Armstrong's number in his phone? Like, yo, I need you to list Ben. How much is it gonna cost? What do we gotta do? What we gotta go through, right? And then boom, Ben is listed on Coinbase. Like, come on, guys. Like, let's be real. Bitboy has so much influence in the space that isn't even far-fetched to think about, right? So yeah, let's pull up the DEX tools for Ben. You can't just ignore things like this, man. Can't ignore things like this. So yeah, they still have to change the logo here for DEX tools Uniswap. Anytime buying, like recently, 7 days ago, anytime you're buying 7 days ago, a lot of people are already up buying that accumulation phase, up around 131%. And we can see the chart, man. The chart looks great. I always take a look at the 1 hour chart. People saw that move up to a new all-time high, and then we had people taking profits, and it looks like it's ready to make another move to the upside, man. Don't fade Bitboy, man. Don't fade Bitboy. If he's the one backing this project, this could absolutely crush it, guys. It's just makes logical sense, man. It really does. It really does just make logical sense. And like I said, we go to Bitboy Crypto's channel. He recently just made a video on Ben, talking about what he's gonna be doing. See right here, Bencoin roadmap unveiling ultimate crypto revolution, 30-minute video. And yeah, guys, one of the biggest, if not the biggest. I think only Altcoin Daily can rival Bitboy when it comes to the crypto space and their influence, right? So he's gonna continuously do his thing with YouTube, spreading awareness, going towards crypto adoption, and Ben will be the project that is affiliated with Bitboy. That's gonna be Bitboy's project, similar to how Ethereum is Vitalik's project, and Binance is BNB is CZ's project, right? So yeah, you could see potential gains in the future for this project. So I just gotta cover it, man. If you guys support the video, the Ben community, let me see where you at. Like the video, subscribe. I'll continue to make videos on the project. So much has happened in the crypto space with PsyOp and Ben.eth, and oh my gosh, it's so much drama, man. I can't keep up. I really can't keep up, right? But yeah, guys, if you hold Ben, let me get your thoughts. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Everything Ben and myself will be in the description. Chart is bullish. The project is bullish. It got a reason why it could potentially hit that multi-billion-dollar market cap range, okay? It does have that reason, right? So once again, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.